This is your game. The spotlight is on you.
We all have to have the heart and the drive, the determination, the perseverance. Whatever you do in life, I mean, you have to give 100%.
It's not going to just be handed to you. There's no days off. You got to work. You have to have drive and passion, and then you got to grind. You have to be willing to work. Really work hard and not give up.
You cannot accept other people's limiting beliefs and ideas about what you can and cannot do. What they say doesn't matter. What does matter is what you say and what you do.